All right. Good day, madlang peeps and future social workers. Welcome to our social work board review. This is Social Welfare Policies, Programs, and Services, Chapter 2, no? Continuation ng ating review series. And this will be available for you for free. No? So, ano na natin, i-maximize na natin yan. And without further ado, let's get started. Intro to SWPPS by yours truly. How are you feeling today? Are you happy, content, excited, hungry? Yan. Sino may gutom dyan? Tired? Angry? Overwhelmed? Sad? Ito, medyo ang funny ng pagkakasad niya, no? Or anxious, embarrassed, disappointed, or afraid. Whatever you're feeling ngayon, it's valid, no? And make sure, yan, excited daw si Sir JM. Make sure you are in an environment na uh, wala kang distractions. If you're hungry, pwede kang kumain. If you're thirsty, pwede kang uminom. And make sure you enjoy our series for today or session for today. Alright? Agad-agad, no? Alam ko na-miss nyo to. 15 seconds for our each question. Sige, sagutin na yan. Number 1. That's number 1. Number 2. Item number 3. Item number 4. Item number 5. Sige, sagutin nyo na yan on your head or better yet, you can write it down. Item number 6. Item number 7. Item number 8. Item number 9. Item number 10. Item number 11. Item number 12. Number 13. Item number 14. Item number 50. Item number 16. Item number 17. Item number 18. Last two numbers. Item number 19. And last but not the least, item number 20. Ayun, that ends our 20 question fast-paced, time-bound uh, items today. No? Palakpakan naman natin ng lahat. Sige, madali ba for you? So, hindi natin matatest no, kung you've already encountered these concepts. And let's move on na with the item analysis. But before we do, if hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel natin, and it's now time for you. No, kasi marami na tayong content dyan na available. If nagre-review ka ngayon, kung gusto mo ng fast-paced drills, yan, with concepts to further explain, and makikita mo yun sa channel natin. Like and subscribe ka na. And also, we are welcoming you then to join our channel. Ito, by means of this video presentation. Ayan. Ayan, nakita naman natin na you can join our channel and may tatlong tier dyan. Mapili na lang kayo kung anong gusto nyo. No? We have exclusive videos and we are also preparing din for the final coaching. So, join now. All right, let's move on with the item analysis. Number one, a specialized organizational structure that assigns a specific form to an organization. Is it A, bureaucracy, B, democracy, C, structural democracy, or D, supervision? Ang clue natin dito, meron siyang organizational structure. Yan. Since nandito ka, ang gagawin natin, mag-cancel out tayo ng two options. No? Democracy, it is a political system and decision-making process siya, wherein participation and majority rule ang sinasabi. So, hindi ito ang sagot natin. Ano pa? Structural, same din with democracy. No? This is not our organizational structure. If we choose between A or D, for supervision, this is a function. Function within an organization. So, not our answer. Therefore, sagot natin is bureaucracy, letter A. What is bureaucracy? No? Refers to the system of administration characterized by complex rules, hierarchy structures, and formal procedures. Ano to? It's a system and or it's a system in the government wherein we make important decisions. No, it's carried out by trained officials, and they set rules, procedures, and clear hierarchy. So may mas nakakataas, may mas nakakababa. There's rules and regulations, and there's a, of course, division of labor. Yan. That is bureaucracy. Number two, supervision is considered as one of the blank of administration. Is it A, tasks, C, demands, C, elements, or D, functions? Yan. What is the, yan, blank? Ano ba to? What is the blank of supervision? When we say tasks, it's specific duties no performed. This is time-bound specific duties. And yan ang sagot natin. Demands, expectations yan for you. No? It's the demands or expectations for you in an organization. For elements, ang dami elements. Maraming ibig sabihin ng elements. So it's not what we're looking for. Therefore, ang sagot natin dito is letter D, functions. What are functions? Functions ng supervision is the core function. No? I mean, supervision is the core function ng administration. No? It's supporting, guiding, overseeing staff or the process. Kailangan turuan natin yung mga empleyado natin how to do the job properly and to also grow professionally. Pag sa supervision, we have administrative, no? Tamang process, output, educational, improving yung skills and knowledge ng ating mga empleyado. Yan. And also, supportive. Siyempre, pag supportive tayo, we give coaching, we give emotional support and motivation to our employees. That's supervision as the function of administration. 3, two professionals share responsibilities and support each other by covering each other's cases as needed. Is it A, tandem supervision, B, tutorial, C, consultation, or D, peer group supervision? When we say tutorial, anong naiisip natin? More of teaching, coaching, no? Teaching. Ibig sabihin, it's not shared, no? Kailangan kasi equal kayo, no? Equal role sharing ang ginagawa. Kapag consultation naman, advice. Giving advices. No? Peer group, supervision, group discussions. Groups. Therefore, sagot natin, A, tandem supervision. Why tandem? No, tandem is two or more supervisions work together to guide or help the team. No? Ibig sabihin, it's shared decision making, no? Combined strengths, yan, and clear division roles. Yan ang tandem supervision. Pattern developed out of the peer group model. Two workers who function by themselves supervising each other. Ibig sabihin, they have coordination and communication as well. That is tandem supervision. 4, the act of helping staff and students carry out their responsibilities under a trained mentor. Is it A, consultation, B, administration, C, supervision, or D, social planning? Helping staff and students carry out their responsibilities under a trained mentor. So, mentor, no? Ibig sabihin, you guide, no? You guide inexperienced staff or students na gawin yung mga roles nila. When we say consultation, advice din to. Like kanina, advices. Much broader to. Policy making to. And much broader term. Social planning is under our community. CO. And therefore, answer natin. Letter C, supervision. Number 5, the management activity that brings parts of an organization together and encourages cooperation among workers. A, organization, B, unity of command, C, leadership, or D, coordination. Ayan. Ano sagot natin? So we're asking about a management activity. No? It aims to make sure na yung department, yung people, or activities within an organization run smoothly. No? And they work together to achieve a common goal. When we say leadership, it's inspires. You inspire, no? No. Kapag organization, it's a structure. Ito, unity of command, one supervisor to. Isa lang, no? Sagot natin is letter D, coordination. Coordination means, yun nga, nasabi natin, promotes teamwork, making sure na hindi paulit-ulit or nagdodoble-doble yung trabaho ng isang staff. No? And of course, to ensure efficient yung communication natin. That's coordination for number 5. Yan. Shared goals and results. Number 6, organizational financial plans projected over a period of time. Is it A, plan of actions, B, program, C, budget, or D, records? Sabi, financial plans projected over a period of time. So may time frame, may timeline. No? Plan of action, this is activities. This is not financial in nature. Programs, yan. Alam na natin yan. Records, data, history. Historical data to. So, answer natin is letter C, budget. Ano kaya ba yung budget? Ayan, nakikita natin dito. We have service revenue, no? Salaries, staff wages, supplies, rent. Tapos makikita natin per quarter, no? And then nakatotal siya per year. That's budget, no? It's a plan kung saan mapupunta yung pera, kung saan allocated, kung saan gagastusin. Kapag wala kang budget, might be mag-overspend ka, mag-underspend ka, no? Hindi mo ma-utilize yung budget mo. And you will fail to meet your goals. No? Available, makikita natin dyan kung magkano yung pera na available. No? Ano pa, it is kasi it promotes transparency din and good monitoring skills. That is budget. 7, a regular process of collecting and analyzing data to find gaps in performance and apply necessary improvements. Is it A, evaluation, B, monitoring, C, planning, or D, controlling? Ayan. Ano sagot natin dito? We were asking about collection and analyzation ng data. Apply necessary improvements. When we say we are evaluating, no? It's focused more on the impact. Impact ng programa or serbisyo, no, pag evaluation. Kapag planning, bago pa to, no, before imple to. Before imple. Yeah. Controlling, no, control of data, no. You enforce standards kapag nagko-control ka. Answer natin, letter B, monitoring. For number 7. Why do we monitor? We have to collect data regularly. You have to check, no, data regularly. You have to check yung progress mo versus the plans. And if you monitor, you will identify problems early on. No? It's a regular checking and tracking of data. And syempre pag may nakikita tayong problem, we will make adjustments if kailangan. Number 8, a long-term organized effort designed to deliver services to individuals, groups, or communities. Is it A, program, B, services, C, plan, or D, policy? Highlight natin long-term, no, organized effort. So it's a planned set of activities yan, which has to be sustainable. No? Services, ito na yung serbisyo, intervention to. Intervention, pagplano, strategy. Strategy mo yan, no? That's your plan, that's your approach. Pag policy, rules. Yan. Sagot natin dito, program. Letter A. Program, plan, set of activities. Dapat may goal ka. Meron kang objective. Balik natin. At may goal ka, may objective ka. You have to target a specific group. Kung tayo sa social work, ang goal mo is to give program to women. Yan. Women, children, farmers. No? You have to have plan. No? May timeline, may budget, may resources. And these programs are implemented by the government or other private organizations. That is letter A for number 8. Number 9, an action plan that connects needs and available resources to move from a current state to a desired outcome. A, resource mobilization. B, planning. C, policy formulation. Or D, program implementation. So, clue na to, action plan. It's an action plan. Connects needs and available resources to move from current state to a desired outcome. Yan. This is for program implementation execution. Yan, execution phase to. Hindi to initial phase to. Policy formulation, setting rules. Setting rules. Yan. Is it between A, resource mobilization, or B, planning? Pag resource mobilization, from the word itself, resources. Gathering resources. Gathering resources. Answer natin, letter B, planning. No? If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Sabi nga nila, no? Planning, it connects the needs and resources to the set goal. No? You have to establish actions. You have to know sino yung responsible people, no? To identify. Yan. Ano bang role natin with planning? You have to know kung anong goal ang gusto nyong makamit. Goal setting. Identifying resources, anong klaseng pondo, sino yung mga tao, ano yung mga gamit or materials na kailangan. Yeah. You have to set timelines. Kailangan smart yan. Smart goals. Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. Setting timelines, assigning responsibilities kanino or sino yung accountable dyan. That is planning. 10, an HR-related process involving announcements in publications and reaching out to schools and professionals. Is it A, placement, B, recruitment, selection, and hiring, C, promotion, or D, transfer? Yeah. We're talking about announcements, no, publications, reaching out to schools. Placement is already hired, no? You're already hired. Assignment na lang to, no? Promotion, elevation or tataas ka, no? Aakyat ka. Transfer is movement from one within the organization, no? No, within the organization, no? Within, no? Internal, oh, that's transfer. Hindi siya external, no? Sagot natin, B, recruitment, selection, and hiring. Why? Pag sinabi nating recruitment, ano ibig sabihin niyan? Attracting, encouraging, no? You encourage people to apply, no? To apply for a job. Selection naman is screening and evaluation ng applicants to choose kung sino yung best candidate. Based sa, syempre, criteria na, under the criteria na ginamit, no? And the hiring, final step, pipiliin na kung sino yung matatanggap sa trabaho. Yeah. That is for number 10, letter B. 11, functions like administration, supervision, and research belong to A, primary methods of social work, B, secondary methods of social work, C, primary settings, or D, secondary settings. Wala na sana magkakamali dito, no? Tanggalin na natin yung dalawa, no? Core services, primary setting. Secondary, allied, professional to. Allied setting, hindi siya methods. No. It's between primary or secondary. Kapag primary, anong primary method natin? It's casework, group work, and CO. No? Casework, group work, CO. So, hindi to. Wrong. Sagot natin secondary methods of social work. No? We have ito, primary methods, casework, group work, and CO. Pag secondary naman, social action. Yan. Social welfare administration and social work research. So social work administration, it's social welfare programs and services. Kapag research, syempre, collection and analysis ng data to understand social issues and kung paano natin may improve, no, yung programa. Social work research. And lastly, the social action, advocating for policy change and social justice among mga marginalized groups. Answer natin for uh, number 11 is letter B. 12, a diagram that shows the structure of an organization. Is it A, line and staff organization, B, bureaucratic form of organization, C, organizational chart, or D, formal organization? This is visual, no? It's a diagram. This is the type of structure. This is not a diagram. Dito yung sagot. Formal organization, structured rules. Hindi yan ang sagot. Between this, B and C, ano sagot natin? Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito is structure. So that's a diagram or that's a visual. No? Makikita natin dapat siya. That is letter C, organizational chart. Yan, ito ang organizational chart. Makikita mo who's the president. Under the president, VP marketing, VP sales, VP production, and may mga managers below, no? Yan. One of our examples. We should have organizational chart. We para makita natin kung sino yung under, who reports to whom, anong role nila, and connection, no? Connection ng different units. And mga positions nila, of course. Kaya kailangan natin ng organizational chart to ensure na communicated and coordinated yung trabaho natin. 13, the extent to which a program achieves its objectives and affects the community. Is it A, effectiveness, B, equity, C, responsiveness, or D, efficiency? Achieves its objectiveness and affects the community. Ano ba? Ano bang impact na nagawa mo? No? Equity is fairness. This is fairness. It's not a goal achievement. Kapag responsiveness, uh, are are you able to meet, no, kung ano yung needs nila? Meet needs. Efficiency naman, magagamit mo yung resources mo efficiently. You know? Efficient. Efficient ka ba to use your resources? So kung tinatanong natin is, focuses on the outcomes, hindi yung activities. No? Kung paano natin ma-measure, no, kung na-achieve na ba natin yung goal o hindi. It's effectiveness. Letter A. Number 13. Yan. Effectiveness, collaboration, service, teamwork. Ayan. Umabot ba kayo sa target, no? No, anong impact, anong change ang nangyari, anong result? Thank you for the heart reacts, Miss Mary Chris Santos. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Number 14, the law protecting women from employment discrimination. Is it A, RA 7432, B, RA 7277, C, RA 6725, or D, RA 7192? Ito RA na tayo, no? Marami dyan sa policies. No? We're talking about against, no, prohibition against discrimination among women in the workplace, no. This provision or key provision of this law is to avoid discrimination sa mga kababaihan sa placement, yun na, sa hiring, promotion, compensation, equal opportunities, no. Cancel out tayo ng ibang options, no. Ito, Senior Citizen Act. Yan yung sagot. This is Magna Carta for persons with disabilities. That's between C and D. Ano sagot natin? These are related, no, to each other. For women to. But the correct answer is letter C. RA 6725. Ano nga ba yan? 7192 is Women in Development and Nation Building Act. 6725 naman is Anti-Discrimination, no, Against Women in the Workplace Act. Ito ang hinahanap natin. For RA 11210, Expanded Maternity Leave, and RA 7882, Women in Small Business Enterprises Act of 1995. Ang nakapatuon dito, no, equal access. Equal access to work opportunities. Yan. Hindi na pwedeng gamitin yung gender as a reason para i-deny yung employment ng isang babae, no? Or benefits. Yan. That's RA 6725. Sagot natin for number 14. Number 15, unverified knowledge that has not been proven. Yan. Is it A, tested knowledge, B, hypothetical knowledge, C, assumptive knowledge, or D, none of the above? Unverified, so it's not tested. I mean, yeah, kapag tested, ang isang bagay, it's based on research and the validate siya. Kapag na, it's none of the above, no, hindi naman, may sagot tayo dyan. It's between assumptive and hypothetical. Anong pagkakaiba ng hypothetical, no? Di ba? Meron pang explanation kapag hypothetical lang isang bagay, tentative, no? Pero meron kang explanation. Kailangan mo lang ng further validation kapag hypothetical. Validation. So may structure to, no? Pero pag assumptive, it's just based on beliefs or assumptions. Wala kang evidence. Yan. Number 15 is letter C, assumptive knowledge. 16, which phase involves the submission of agency budget proposals to the Department of Budget and Management, DBM. A, budget execution. B, budget preparation. C, budget legislation. Or D, budget accountability. On my time, 2022, lumbas to, no? Yung budget na to. At that point in time, hindi ko siya alam. I think I used uneducated guess dito sa item na to. Kaya explain natin siya mabuti. No? Ninanap dito, submission of agency budget proposals to the Department of Budget and Management. No? Planning, no? So if planning pa lang siya, when we say we are already budget accountability na siya, this is reporting na to. Proper use and reporting. Proper use of the budget. Ito, approval ng Congression. Approval. That's between B and A. No? Execution, implementation na to. So kapag isasubmit mo pa lang, budget preparation yan. Letter B. Yan. Explain natin mabuti, no? Yung process. Ito. What's the first process for budget? Una-una, planning phase, no? Budget preparation. Yan. Number 1, budget preparation. It takes 18 months, no? And ang concerned agency dito is the Department of Budget Management. Yeah. Ano pa? When we prepare or for the budget preparation, you have to submit proposals. Yun nga yung tanong natin kanina, no? Planning how government money will be raised, paano i-allocate or paano i-spend. No? Paano i-spend. Yan. Dito sa budget allocation, yan. It's ang leading agency natin dyan is the Department of Budget and Management. Kapag naman budget legislation, authorization phase na to. Yan. Number 2, budget legislation is the authorization phase, no? Ano bang ginagawa dyan? Deliberate, no? Deliberate, review, and revise the budget, no? The House and Senate deliberate and review the budget. And kapag approved na, magiging GAA siya or the General Appropriation Act. Yeah. Debating to, no? Debate, review. Yan. So, ang example natin dito on this phase sa budget legislation, yung Congress, no, pagdedebatihan nila kung i-increase yung budget ng DOH, no, based on national health needs. Ano bang kailangan ng bansa ngayon, no? Is it or should it be focusing on health of, 'di ba? Yan na area natin with budget legislation. Budget execution naman is the implementation. Agencies implement programs. Implement programs, no? Hire people, yan. Procure goods. Procurement. Hiring. Yan. Connected to, no? Yung budget execution connected sa budget legislation kasi yung nasabi natin kanina, which is the General Appropriation Act. Kailangan naka-follow yun, no? Kung paano gagastusin yung budget, no? That's budget execution. And lastly, budget accountability naman is the evaluation phase. Number 4, evaluation phase. Yan. This is the evaluation phase. Ang main role dito is the COA, no, or Commission on Audit. Yan. Oh. Ang mga agencies kailangan i-submit nila yung report nila kung paano nila nagamit yung fund na allocated sa kanila. And then the COA will be auditing all government spending. And the Department of Budget and Management, sila yung mag-evaluate. No? And the Congress also pala. Yan, that is the budget process. No? Una-una, budget preparation, no? Ano natin dyan? Agencies, preparation to. Preparation for the budget proposals. Yun yung question kanina. Number 2, budget legislation naman is the deliberation, the review, and revision ng budget by the House and the Senate. Once approved, meron siyang magiging GAA. It will become the GAA or the General Appropriations Act. Number 3 naman, budget execution, implementation yan. Implementation of the agencies, of the programs, procurement ng goods, no? And the services, and yung hiring ng mga tao. And yun nga yung note natin kanina na dapat based ang spending sa GAA nila. And lastly, budget accountability is the submission ng mga agencies ng reports kung paano nila ginamit yung funds nila. And major agency dyan, no, or commission, it's the COA or Commission on Audit. They will audit all government spending, and the DABM and Congress will evaluate the program outcomes. That is the budget process. 17, which phase ensures that agencies use funds properly and submit financial reports? A, budget monitoring. B, budget review. C, budget accountability. Or D, budget planning. Sa explanation natin kanina with the process. Sige, anong sagot dito? It's the last phase, no? Budget accountability. Yan. Sagot natin dito, letter C. No? Budget accountability, kailangan transparent, no? They have to comply with the rules, no? Compliance yan in reporting kung paano nila na-utilize yung budget. No, hindi na yan planning, hindi na yan review, hindi na yan monitoring. That's accountability na. Of course, with the Commission on Audit, yan, nasabi natin kanina. Okay. Number 17, letter C. 18, the formula used to determine the sample size based on population and the margin of error. Is it A, Sloven formula, B, sampling formula, C, probability, or D, non-probability? Let's cancel out, no? Probability is a concept. It's not a formula. We're looking for formula to determine sample size based on population and margin error. Then probability, same with probability. This is sampling type. Sampling. It's between Sloven and sampling formula. No? You have to be specific. So, sagot natin is the Sloven formula. Ano bang Sloven formula? No? What is the goal of the Sloven formula? To make sure na kailangan mong malaman kung ilan yung tao na isa-survey mo, no, when you're studying a large population. Kasi since hindi mo sila masa-survey everyone, no, you have to know, you have to determine how many people yung kailangan mo. You have to use Sloven formula to have an accurate result then. Since hindi mo kayang i-survey lahat ng tao. What is the Sloven formula? N equals n divided by 1 plus NE over 2. N is the sample size. Small n is the sample size, n is the population size, and E is the margin of error. That is the Sloven formula. No? Magbigay tayo ng example dito. No? Pero if you are a social worker pala, no, imagine you're a social worker na and you want to survey your community. Pero you don't have enough resources to ask everyone. Or not just resources, pero even time, no? Solving formula will help you understand or help you decide kung ilan yung tao. Pero magiging accurate pa rin kahit medyo konti, no? Konti with your initial target or initial population. Ito, let's give a scenario. No, you are working in Barangay Maligaya, which has 2,000 residents. You want your survey to be 95% accurate. So you choose a 5% margin of error. Ang ano natin dito, no, E is 0.05. Tapos yung ano natin, no, total population is 2,000. Yan. Okay, tingnan natin, no? Paano natin makukuha yan? Unang-una, yan. Write the formula, ang formula ng Sloven formula, no? Or formula ng Sloven. Tapos, i-transfer natin yung values. Zoom nga natin. Let us transfer the values, no? Transfer the values. That's 2,000, no? Yung total population nila over 1 plus 2,000, the population, and the margin of error, which is 0.05 over 2. Siyempre, unahin natin the exponent first, no? Yan, times mo yung 0.05 over 2 sa sarili niya. Ang masasagot dyan is 0.0025. Yan. And then, i-multiply mo to. No? Since ang nakuha natin dito is 2,001 plus 2,000, wait lang, 2,000 over 0.0025. Yan, imagine niyo na lang yan. Tapos i-times natin 'to, 'no? Makukuha natin is 5, yan. Tapos ilipat natin 'to. Ano ng ano natin kanina? 5. That's n equals 2,000 over 1 plus, that's 5, no? Yan. N equals 2,000 divided by 6. So, ayan. Ang sagot natin is 333.33. 333.33. So, yan yung, ano nga ba to, no? Yung 333.33. If you're surveying 2,000 residents, kailangan or pwede na i-survey mo is 333 respondents lang. No? You're still confident na yung result mo is i-represent ng whole community. No? Kahit may 5% margin of error. No? 5% lang naman. No? That is the Sloven formula. No? If masyadong mabilis, you can skip. No? Skip the video or move the video backwards. All right. Number 19, a research method involving close collaboration between researchers and participants throughout the study to address a pressing issue in a marginalized community. A, phenomenology. B, grounded theory. C, action research. Or D, quantitative research. We're talking about close collaboration, researchers and participants. Address a pressing issue. Ito, between a marginalized community. Let us remove quantitative research. This is numerical. No? Grounded theory is theory building. Phenomenology, ito tandaan natin, is live. Ewan ko kung live experiences or lived experiences to. Not sure with the pronunciation. No? Ang sagot natin is letter C, action research. Kapag action research ang pinag-uusapan, we are identifying real problems. So we try to find the solution. No? This is a research for change. Ang goal mo is to make change, no? Because ang goal mo sa community na yon, no, if you're conducting an action research is for them to have or yung ma-improve yung pamumuhay nila or situations nila. That is letter C, action research. Yan. Anong cycle natin dito? Wait, meron ba tayong, yan. What is action research? Investigate and solve an issue. Conduct research to take actions at the same time. Process natin, planning, yan, unang-una. You have to identify the problem kasi, no, for the planning. Pangalawa, is the action. Action with observation to. You observe, no? And then you analyze. And then you conclude, no? If you need revision pa, it's applicable din naman. Results are used to improve practices ng mga tao. Social work ito, magandang practice of conducting action research. Answer for number 19 is letter C. Number 20 naman, the process that illustrates deductive reasoning pattern. Is it A, theory, observation, confirmation pattern? B, theory, hypothesis, observation, confirmation? C, observation, hypothesis, confirmation, theory, or D, observation, pattern, hypothesis, and theory. When we say deductive reasoning, ano ba? What's the meaning of deductive? No? When we say deductive, you start with the general. General to specific. To conclude, no? Kailangan general muna. You start with, ito, masasabi ko yung sagot. Pero let's cancel out, no? Observation, pattern, hypothesis, theory, inductive. Inductive to. Actually, parang medyo mix siya, no? Even this, observation, hypothesis, confirmation, theory. No? Sagot natin kasi dito, of course, if it's deductive reasoning, you start with a theory. Yan. You start with the theory first and then you derive, no? You make an hypothesis. Yan, check. And then you observe. You test you test those hypotheses with observation. And then you confirm. No? That ends with confirmation. No? What natin is letter B for deductive reasoning pattern. Yan. Inductive, kapag inductive, you start with specific, no? Specific to general. Tapos dito naman, general to specific. Yeah. Kaya you start with observation first kapag inductive. And then you test the pattern and then you provide theory or hypothesis. Pag deductive, you start with theory, you make an hypothesis, you test those hypotheses into observation and then you confirm or to falsify kung hindi talaga totoo, no? That's deductive approach and inductive approach. All right, no? Our quote for today is, I accumulated small but consistent habits that ultimately led to results that were unimaginable or unimaginable. Sorry. Ulitin ko na nabulol ako. I accumulated small but consistent habits that ultimately led to results that were unimaginable when I started. From James Clear, from his book Atomic Habits. Ayan. It starts with habits, no? Una-una, we think na hindi or imposible sa atin, no? Na makuha yung mga gusto natin. But you don't have to feel overwhelmed. You can start small naman, no? And this small acts will continue, no? Consistently as a habit. And then, magugulat ka na lang, ay, nakuha ko na. Same thing with our board exam, no? If feeling mo overwhelmed ka, just start small. No? Basta ka lang ng konti for 5 minutes and then, di mo mamamalayan, ay, ano ka na pala? Nakarami ka na pala. No? That's how we see it. No? Again, if hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, no, subscribe ka na. We have videos for you. We have free videos. We have exclusive videos na already. If you want to join my channel, no, para mas comprehensive, no, mas comprehensive in discussion natin sa exclusive videos natin. We have item analysis and also explanation kung bakit hindi 'yon ang sagot na atin. Alright, kamusta kayo? Kamusta ang exam, no? Ay, kamusta ang 20 items natin, no? Can you post your your scores on the chat box? Yan. Tingnan natin. Tingnan ko kung let me check naman kung mataas-taas na. That that is the end pala ng ating SWPPS review series for free, no? If gusto mo pa nito, yan, meron tayo dyan sa exclusive videos natin. And we will try our best to elaborate further pa each concepts. And ang review natin is all based on the no, on the table of specification and each concept, no? Identification, no? Yan ang mga topics in the methods. Ayan. Sige, post nyo na lang dyan sa comment section yung scores nyo and I will be sending heart reacts. And congratulations, future RSWs. No? You made it through our jam-packed and very insightful review session. And remember, no, to keep pushing forward. Push nyo lang, no? Stay grounded. And also, trust every minute na ginagawa nyo sa review will be beneficial tomorrow. Syempre, don't forget to rewatch our session then and answer the practice questions. And join us again next time as sa ating review session. And hopefully, I will see you on the field din pala. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because mas maganda na we learn together. Yan. Even me, no, natututo rin ako from you. And yan nga, again, our mantra, no, everyday mantra, magiging RSW ako this September 2025. Aja. Yan. Hashtag Aja, fight, fight, fight. And magiging top notcher ako this September 2025, Aja. Fight lang, no? Manifest. Lagay nyo sa lahat ng notebook niyo yan. And thank you so much for staying with me. No? This has been your social work board review for social welfare policies, programs, and services, chapter 2. And I'll see you next time with the same goal and with the same passion. This is, all right. Nawala ako no, for a second. And I'll see you, no? I'll see you again. And bye for now.